In this video we will show how to repair a complete missing tap on a plastic bumper. Here are some examples of damage. Let's get started on a repair. The sanding process is shown here. It is important to V-groove on both sides. If this is not done correctly, it will affect the end result of the repair when the final sanding is done. If the hole is not V-grooved, the attachment area for the weld is smaller, and this will compromise the quality of the repair. Here is the welding process of the missing tab repair using the frame method. We start by making a frame that is the same shape as the missing tab we are recreating. Make the corners of the frame by heating the strip and folding it over at 90 degrees. Make sure to squeeze with the vise after each step. Heat the strip on the outside, bend it up, and then continue the weld on the bumper. Now fill in the hole in the frame with the welding strips, overlapping the strips by 50%. Finally, repeat the hole filling process on the outside. The final sanding starts with the 2-speed sander to remove the cooled welding material that is too high. Make sure when sanding to have the sander rotate off the strip, this way you will not rip up the weld, and the surface becomes smoother. Shaping the tab to the desired shape reduces the sanding time of the surface. In this repair, the tab needs a round hole for a screw or bolt. This is easily made with a drill bit. If this is the chosen method, be aware of the speed of the drill, as there is a high risk of making the hole too big. If the hole is not round, use the stapler with a bent staple to cut the hole. Here is an example with a square hole. Take out the excess material using a knife, or similar. File the hole at the end to ensure a good finish. If you want more information, go to our webpage, vtaginnovation.com.